Hi everyone, Paul down here at CCRV. Welcome to the channel. This is where we sell fifth wheels, as you probably know if you've been watching us before. Right, what we're doing today, me and Ashley are going out on a delivery. This is one of the ones on our hire fleet that we rent out to people doing renovations, self-builds, fires, floods, insurance work, this sort of thing. A brilliant alternative to these static caravans. Yeah, this is one of our customers here today. This is Phil and Joe, and they've got their little YouTube channel on the go here. There you go. So it's Yorkshire Expats. So if you have a look on YouTube, see they've lived in there for about 4 years. I've done an interview with them, and there's just some of their adventures maybe they'll put on there, so it might be interesting viewing. But anyway, right, here we go. I mustn't ramble on too much as I get told off. Right, this is what we're taking. Ashley's well, we changed their fridge for them, by the way. They decided to go for a normal. I think this one went faulty, and they went for a normal. What did they get, Ash? What did they have? A 240 volt fridge. 240
volt, yeah. High
fridge, and that, I think he's running it off his solar and all that sort of nonsense. So there he is. There's Phil. I'll say that was his old fridge. That was his old fridge. Once they go faulty, how much are they new?
I've got no idea.
How much are they new? How much are they new, actually?
About 2,500, aren't they? By the time you've got them.
A couple of grand for one of those.
Yeah. Listen, if you
and what did you got? Joey's decent, isn't she?
She's decent.
I've got my dressing gown on.
Oh, right, you're looking cosy, yeah. So what have you put in there?
It's a high sense. It's a 240 volt, 50-50.
Yeah.
It'll run off the solar, all right. So
Yeah. So what did that cost?
335 quid.
Yeah, as opposed to a couple of grand.
Yeah.
Right, this is what we're taking. We're taking a Puma 257. What are they doing, Ashley? A bit of a self-build, is it?
Their oil tanks burst and flooded the house, so we're putting it as a temporary accommodation for the tenant.
Oh right, oh that's good. Oh right, yeah, for the tenant.
Because he doesn't want to move out of the house, you see.
That's handy. The old oil tank burst is always a good one.
Yeah.
We get through there, won't we? Just opening the gate, it will go through there, but Ashley likes to get all the gates all opened up. Get out the site. Alright. Off we go.
Here we go.
We had one of these before with the I think they had oil-fired Arga and the pipe broke in the kitchen. How long was that one for? That was up north, wasn't it?
It was about 2.5 years.
2.5 years? Yeah, I think they dug all the footings out and the inner walls collapsed and they had to rebuild the whole house, so that worked the best. Right, so off we go. Bit windy, twisty roads, but once we get there I'll do a little bit of videoing and you'll see it all, how it all goes in and meet the customers. So carry on watching. Destination, as you can see, is pretty tight. You're right on there, actually. You've got to go across this bridge. You're bang on the other side. Yeah, that's going round. Look at that. That's pretty good old delivery here. Actually piloting. Yeah, you're all right. Go over the weeds. Just try not to destroy the truck. And Ashley, as usual, has got it in there in one. He's a bit fancy with his deliveries, this boy. That was luck, that was. Right, you're going over that side. You want to come straight a bit more? Yeah, let's go in there. I think the guy's had an oil leak. We're getting it in there. As I say, there's a ditch either side, so when people say we can't get them in, yeah, go on. Yeah, you're right on this side. Right, we just hold it there and let the traffic go. Yeah. No, just stay there. Jump out and have a look. You're right by the garage. I don't fall down this ditch while I'm filming. He'll actually just position himself, and then we'll see how it goes. You're bang on there.
side.
Where do you want me to go?
Keep an eye on the other side.
Yeah. I'll shout. I'll shout if we're close.
Yeah, I'm going to put the coffee pot on. Do you want one?
Good idea, yeah.
Coffee later.
Yeah, anything, yeah. Yes, please, yeah. Right, you're in, Ashley.
We'll take that fence down there.
Now we'll have a look. I think we'll wiggle it about.
I can't see this side at all here.
Hey?
Can you stand at the front for me, Paul?
Where do you want me?
Just there, 'cause I can't see this side.
Right. I think you're going to put the coffee on, I think.
I shouldn't think he wants it to come too far back anyway, because he's got to walk out and round the back to get to the door, hasn't he?
Yeah, we'll have to get the slide out. So if we just get it roughly, we're going to have to go back there and then come get it over here a little bit.
Do you want me to just do a bit more pruning there?
Always got the customer helping us out here. Right, I think, what do you reckon? This is where we're going to come back to?
We need to get some back, don't we?
Do you want to move these chairs, shall we?
Yeah. Yeah, so we're going to have to get there. Watch out for just don't go about.
Got me working here. That'll do, I reckon. Right, let's see if we can get it in there. There you go, we've got it in.
Just go back a little bit further as we are.
Where do you want to go? Back further?
I was
Yeah.
thinking you'd come out and go round the back, but he's thinking if he comes back a bit further, he'd actually go round the front to get in.
There we go.
If I'd said it then, I would have said the left-hand door, not the right.
There we go. That's organising. Where can you see? You got about 10 feet
Yeah,
if you want to come back.
Here, is it? I'm thinking.
No.
Just straight onto the patio a little bit.
Yeah. There you go, quite a successful delivery. As I say, if I walk out here, you can actually see how tight it was. Not for the faint-hearted. If I go out and show you the road, you would have a job getting a caravan in there, let alone a fifth wheel, so they are as manoeuvrable as any caravan, really. So there you go, guys. If you've got a problem with your house renovation, and you need temporary accommodation, come and see us, CCRV. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching if you got to the end. Well, the old lorries come past here fast, don't they? How many miles do you reckon we've got to go, Ash?
It's only about 24 miles, this one.
The camera
Nice
fell
and
off the
short.
dash. That's a good start. 20 odd miles?
Yeah, 20 odd miles.
Yeah, and they basically, hold on a second, start again.